I'm Nilima, and today we are going to go ahead with our truffle making recipe. So, this is the truffle base which we made yesterday, and this is how it looks. So, now we have to make small balls with it, and after making the balls, we are going to dip it into our melted chocolate, and this is the chocolate which we will melt afterwards. So, let's begin making with the truffle. To make the truffle, you have to first dip your fingers in cocoa powder. Just dip your fingers in the cocoa powder, not your palms. Palms are little hot. It's hotter than the fingers. So we are not going to use our palms. We will just use the fingers. So take a little bit of your truffle and only in your palms just make some balls like this, and your truffle is, the ball is ready. This is how you will be taking more balls and just roll it in your fingers. If you roll it in your palm, it is going to release oil as it is, as it will start melting. So just take it in your fingers and roll. Okay, you can see the balls are ready. So like this we are going to make the balls out of the whole truffle base and then dip. Okay, now my truffle balls are ready, so I'm going to dip it in the melted chocolate, and then we will keep it for setting it. Okay, so with the help of fork and spoon, you can just dip the truffle, and after coating it, just lift it, keep it on the fork so that the extra chocolate comes down, and leave it for setting. You have to, as it is, you have to put it in the fridge for it to become hard. Okay, my truffle is ready. Only these three are left, so maybe I can use it somewhere else. And I have melted some white chocolate. So because I'm making it in a very small quantity, so I just melted a little bit, and I'm trying to decorate with my toothpick. But you can always put it in a piping bag and do the decoration properly. Or maybe the small tiny amount I can just put it in a piping bag and show you. Okay, the piping bag is ready. So what you have to do is, this is easier actually, but I was trying to be a little lazy. Okay, so you can just simply decorate it with your white ice cream. Oh, I'm sorry, white chocolate, and then keep it in a fridge. Actually, it is already settled. Fridge, you don't. It's not needed to keep it in the fridge, but if you have to remove this, then you have to keep it in the fridge because it is not that hard enough to remove from the plate or any butter paper. So we will just keep it for 2 to 5 minutes in the fridge and then take it out. So now the chocolate truffles are ready. It's ready to eat. You can see it's hardened quite a lot, and you can see the messy thing what I have done. This is all because of the plate I have used. You are not supposed to use any plate if you are making it professionally. Please use a butter paper. And so let me take a bite and show you how it is from inside. Quite soft, I say. If you want, you can always add. If you want, you can always add dry fruits with in the chocolate truffle base. That is while cooking. I hope you like the video, and it's really, really very, very yummy. Do try this recipe. You're really going to enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye bye.